Takpanay sa Bilog. This is a game that is similar to a local game known as Takpanay or Tag in English, but in this game, there will be a bilog or circle that is a safe place for those who are not tagged. Tagger will tag players even if they are in the circle, and when players run outside the circle, that's the chance for the tagger to chase and tag the player. And this recreational game was generated through the purpose of leisure, where players will not be tired of running. That's why there is a safe circle in the game, as it will be the resting place of player. This recreational game is also convenient since player will not be scattered, which means this game only needs small place to play. And the mechanics of this game, player will make a 1 meter in radius circle, and player will do the hompiang to know who will be the tagger, and then players will enter the circle, but the tagger will only be allowed to enter the circumference of the circle as it is the boundary of the tagger, and the player can go outside the circle, but the tagger will be free to chase and tag the player outside the circle. And when the player goes outside the circle, he or she can go back to the circle anytime since it is their safe place. And the player that will be tagged will then be part of the tagger. When all of the players are tagged, the first person tagged will be the next tagger. Remember that the materials of this game are chalk and meter sticks or anything that can draw circles.